Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to access and download your UAE residence visa copy directly from the UAE Pass app. First, open the UAE Pass app and log into your account. Ensure you're using the latest version of the app. Next, go to the Documents section. This may be called My Documents, Digital Documents, or similar in your app version. Then, scroll through your available documents. Look for Residence Visa or Visa Copy. If you don't see it immediately, check different categories. After that, tap on the visa document to view it. You should see a digital copy of your current residence visa with all details. To download or share, tap the export icon, usually a share arrow or download symbol. You can save it as a PDF or directly share it via email or messaging apps. This digital visa copy is officially verified and can be used for various administrative purposes where a visa copy is required. If accessing your visa copy through UAE Pass was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.